Secret number 8, decide delivery time. How much time are you going to allocate towards delivering your educational piece? So I'm not talking about what you might be doing as a drip feed if you do Facebook Live, for example, or you do posts on your social media platforms. I'm speaking specifically about an educational piece that you're going to hopefully get people along to. So rather than doing one-to-one, you're going to get a group of people along to this. How much time are you going to allocate to delivering that piece of information? And the things that I have done in the past that have been very successful are 30-minute lunch and learn sessions. I remember doing that one at a place called DSTL, which is a government environment or government organisation. I think the government organisation, a place called Porton Down, just outside of Amesbury. I delivered a 30-minute lunch and learn there. Ended up then going on to running I think it was a 6-week program for weight loss, and that then rolled up into a £50,000 corporate contract across a few of their sites. So it sounds like a big amount of cash, but actually when you think it was across 3 sites, it wasn't actually that much money really, but still a nice chunk of change to have in your back pocket. And that all came from delivering a 30-minute lunch and learn session. So that's one time frame you could do it in. Another one might be a 60-minute webinar possibly that you may deliver live. And the beauty of delivering webinars are you can actually record them and play them back so people can watch them when you're not there, which is great. You can be off working with clients, working on a project, or just putting your feet up and somebody could be consuming your information. In fact, as you are watching this right now, I may well be doing any one of those 3 things. And then you've got a half-day workshop, and I've done half-day workshops more to date for my existing clients. I do one called the Weight Loss Escape Plan, and one of the reasons for doing that is to give them a better understanding, but also and better long-term results, but also additional buy-in to my services that I offer. So that was my half-day workshop. But you can run half-day workshops as an educator to bring people in, so again they can get to know, like and trust you. So that's just 3 different time frames, but you need to decide how much time you're going to put into it. And I would suggest looking at that list, and given the current climate we're in, I think stuff online is pretty good at the moment, but don't rule out doing 30-minute lunch and learn sessions where you go into a corporate setting and you deliver. And one of the great things about doing that is when I went to DSTL to do that 30-minute lunch and learn, I provided the marketing materials. They then disseminated that out to their workforce. So in terms of my responsibility to try and get bums on seats, it was kind of minimal. It was just really down to them sending the information out. I just turned up and I had a room full of people sat there wanting to listen to me. So that worked really well. So those are the 3 things that I have certainly done. You just need to decide how much time you want to dedicate to delivering your first key educational piece.